Let's learn how to use Rento app. You need to open the app. On this screen you will see the whole database of your tenants. Here you can add new tenant by clicking on add tenant. Here on this screen you have to write the name of the tenant. For example, here we are taking Rishi as a tenant. Here you have to mention the mobile number for one click WhatsApp messages. After that, here is the option for building name or area name, or howsoever you want to categorize your residences, you can do like that. After that, here we can see add more details. Here are additional details which are not mandatory but you can make. For example, security deposit is important part. After that, coming on the opening balance, you have to select here what is the start billing date. The billing date should start from 1st of June we have taken. After that, you have this add bill details. This is your current billing details. It is prepaid model. After that, this is a option of electricity meter reading. Here you have to write the current readings, and here you have to write rate per unit. According to that, every month the bill will be prepared. After that, you can see the last option, which is add tenant documents. You can collect added tenants documents and keep it safe in the app. After that, click on add the customer. Now you have to attach a plan with them. For example, we are taking 15,000 is a monthly rent we are taking from this client. After that, you need to add balance. Click on add balance. After that, click on renew to make a bill. Here on this screen you have to make changes as per your requirement. After that, check bill amount. The bills are not prepared yet. If you are okay with the details, you can click on generate this bill. Now the bill has been generated, you can see. Now you can see this bill share option here. You can click here to send the bills to your customer. Here, after that, you have these options to share. Click on WhatsApp, and on one click you can directly send the bill to your client's account, your customer's account. After that, you can see one more feature here. This is the whole your database of customers. Here again we'll go in a client, and if we have to collect payment, you have to click collect payment. After that, you have to mention how much amount they have given. After that, you have this option to select the date and time when you have collected the payment. After which, there is an option of mode of payment, which should be cash, UPI, portal, or bank transfer. However it is, you can select that. For example, we'll take bank transfer. After that, there is an option of signature. So you can also take customer's signature here. After that, let's record it, and we are using this option record and SMS. So click on this record and SMS. You have to give permission once. After that, you can see on a one click the bill has been sent to your customer's account. After that, you can see here you can click on receipt share, and even you can send the receipt directly on their WhatsApp as well. Via the same process, you have to just click on the WhatsApp and it will be sent. And here, after that, you can come on this screen. This is the detail of your customer. Here you can see the payment reminder as well. You can send it as well. After that, you can click on balance history, and this is the whole history of your tenant. On which day he paid, at which time he have paid, how much amount he have paid, everything. So it would be easier. You can also share it with your customer via WhatsApp. Again, same. After that, let's consider this details page. Here is the details of the rent, their documents, bill details, their electricity bills, water charges, any extra things which you have. The whole details are here. After that, let's go back. Here is one more option of follow. You can click on this bell icon. Here you can see if your tenant has said that he will pay after some days, or probably he is saying he will pay on Sunday. Let's take that example. We can actually mark a follow-up. On the same day of follow-up, the app will remind you to collect the payment. You can directly click OK. The update has been made. After that, you can also see upper 3 points. Here are some more features: complain, delete, etc. Again, go back and let's come on the rent plan. Here you have all the rent plans which you are having. Click on new one. Create a new plan. For example, we are creating shop rent of 150 square feet. So this is the example which we are taking. The rate would be around what we can take is 15,000. So all the shops which you are having of 150 square feet, it will be easier for you to understand, okay, how much rent I am asking from them. Then you have to save it. This is how your product or plan will be created. Then here after that, you can see this bell icon. You can click on it. On all the notifications, all your history of payments you have made, all activities which you have made on the app will be appeared here. For example, on which date you have changed the subscription or deleted a subscription or created a new product, everything will be here. After that, let's go back. Even you can search it. After that, let's come on the summary page. Summary page is your monthly insight of your business. You can see here monthly total collection, total pending amount, the overall pending amount, the total tenants currently you are having, the pending complaints, everything. Even there, your today's follow-up, everything will appear here. After that, there is important part of area-wise subscription. Here, in all what all buildings or what all areas you have tenants, you can have the data in just a click. After that, let's click on chat for help. Here in chat for help, you can create any query which you are having from us. Any of the support or required request you can make here. Our executive shall call you back in 24 hours. After that, let's go back. Here, after that, you can click on this action button, which is here. This action button will give you brief of all the other services which we offer. Even our app is available for your desktop use as well. You can click here and see that, okay, it is available on desktop. After that, there is one important feature of add expenses. Whatever expenses you make, you have to click expenses, and here you can mark all the expenses which you have made. For example, we are taking example of painting charges. Around 5,000 you have paid for that building. After that, the categorization of it, you can also add image and the date and time on which date the expenses have been happened, and click on add expenses. This is how your expenses will be taken care by the system. After that, let's go back, and here is another option. You need to click on the upper side. Here you can see the report section, which is very important. Your overall detailed reports will be here, all your data of your tenants. After that, again click on these 3 lines above. Here you can see the tenant queries. Even you can manage your tenant queries or complaints, whatever they are having. You can also update their status from open to in progress to resolve. And this is how you can manage your tenant efficiently. For more such detail, please subscribe BixApp. Thanks.